Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome my YouTube channel, Miss Falca. Ako po nagpapasalamat sa mga taong nagmamahal, nagpachikas po sa akin. Yung tinatawag na kawang gawa para sa mahirap, isa na po si Miss Falca doon. Is me member of San Isidro, Davao del Norte, Philippines, Marito Rivas Pernis, and Binibining LOL City Job Aquesta Costro Verde. Thank you sa pag-share niyo po sa blessing. I'm so proud, I'm so happy, nagulat talaga ako or nakuratan ako. Yes, thank you everything. Thank you so much sa inyong pag-share, sa inyong mga blessing na wala kayong ever wala kayong pagdududa or pagkukulang or tiwala or trust all trust. Maraming salamat everyone. Thank you guys. Thank you so much sa inyong pag-Gcash. Sa cash, nako, I'm so proud. Malaking tulong po yan sa aking life. Oh my God. Hi, bigyan of shout out everyone. Marjorie Gitano, Ivas Mula, Maloney, my VFF all nationwide, all people around the world, TikTok, Rail Industry, YT Industry, Lucita Dayers, Danilo Ayop, Maria Elena Bellhop, Trina, Sir Ed Casilion, Jasmine, Margie Vinyas, love you so much. Blessed Life, Busing Caesar, Ninja Traveler, Kuya Bogs, Jamelot Coral, Dodski, Jemail First, Four Corners Custom Product Mobile, Karina Kachoray, all to love and support for me. Hindi ko pa nasulat iyang inyong mga pa-shout out. Escaping 10. Nasaan na kayo escaping 10 ngayon, guys? Wow. Moto Dicer, dad, AR photographer, and Inday, Ilocanang Inday, and my mentor, ever, Norma Roxar at Castillon. Kung hindi pa kayo updated sa aking YouTube channel, huwag niyo kalimutan bisitahin and subscribe and share and comment. I love you. I love you, Danilo Ayop. Danilo Ayop. What happened? Danilo Ayop is the god person in YT industry.